how to find a forgotten Wi-Fi password on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connection. After click on Connection, click on Wi-Fi. And if you want to find forgotten Wi-Fi password, click on this settings icon and you will see password is here, and click on this icon. So you will see fingerprint, face, and you will add fingerprint and face ID. After add face ID and fingerprint, you will see your password is showing here. After watching password, go back to home screen. So that's how you can find a forgotten Wi-Fi password on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.